Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to both perform and explain the apple on a string experiment. So the materials you'll need today are an apple, some duct tape, and some string, which I've taken the liberty of tying onto the stem of the apple. Alright, just making a little knot. So then you take a little piece of duct tape and you use it to secure the string onto the top of the apple. So you can't have it moving at all. And you take your string, you hold the apple by it, and what you've essentially made is a little pendulum. So, as you can see here, I'm holding the apple at a midline for the pendulum, and I will pull back, and you'll see it won't actually hit my hand when it comes back. Just keep swinging until it runs out of energy. So there are actually two forces that act on any kind of pendulum, and you can do the same thing with your face. You can't see mine here, so I take the apple, I push it, but it won't come back to my hand because every single time it moves, it loses a little bit of energy. So it'll come very close to touching it, but it won't actually hit it. And there are some more grand demonstrations of this with a much higher holding point for the pendulum, and you're not using an apple. But for the kids, showing them that it goes back and forth and then it slows down should be enough. So let's get into the forces that are at work here. So the first thing you have is gravity. Gravity consistently pulls this apple or the pendulum bob down. And the other force is the tension force. So because you're holding this apple by a string, there's some tension that builds up and also pulls it upward. So the combination of these forces does two things. One, whenever the pendulum's moving towards the midline, it accelerates. And two, whenever it's moving towards one of its extremities, it decelerates. So this is because of the gravity and the tension acting on it. So whenever it's going towards a lower point where there's more tension, it's going to get there quickly. And when it's going towards a higher point with less tension, it's going to get there more slowly. And the reason that it eventually stops and it doesn't go on forever is because of air resistance, which consistently slows down the apple. And once again, if you want to make this a little more exciting, you can put it next to your face or another object and show that if I put it right next to this duct tape and I let it swing, it's not going to hit the duct tape. So you could use your face, but that's only for the bold and daring and not so much me. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. I hope to help you both perform and explain the apple on a string experiment. And remember, if you want to make it really exciting, put it right up to your face, put the midline away, pull the apple towards your face, and let it swing. And I guarantee that if you do it correctly, it will not hit your face. Alright, good luck guys.